Good morning. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. It is 7:20 a.m. It's been a while since I've done a morning video, but we're getting back to the good old days here. See if we can get the videos out every day. Going to give you a wave analysis that I'm seeing today, guys. So welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it. My name is Jim. I am a crypto trader and a forex trader, here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. I'm Elliott Wave man. Yes. All right. Anyway, let's jump into the wave, guys. We got a little bit of a different structure, guys. Things are playing out like a triangle, but I want to give you a different interpretation today based on the information that I have. Again, as Elliott Wave traders, we're just looking at the market, trying to understand it the best we can with known structures. And guys, you know, as more information comes in, we often see some different things, and then we trade it differently. So far so good from yesterday's video, but we did have another push to the high before we came down, which surprised me. So it changed the count a little bit. I want to talk about what that is, and then I want to talk about what I'm seeing, a different way to interpret this wave right here. So don't forget, not financial advice. Don't forget all that jazz. Okay, don't forget, like and subscribe. Hit the like button right now. Hey, shoot a comment as well, just a positive comment. Some of you think about the channel positive that you get maybe from the day. Just help the channel grow. We just hit 3,700 subscribers. Shoot, man, I'd love to hit that 4,000 subscribers sometime soon. That'd be kind of cool. Just a goal. I'm only 300 subs away. So share it on Twitter, man. Share it on Facebook, the videos, if you're finding value here. All right, let's jump in. So yesterday I was basically saying that I'm looking for pretty high targets, guys, and I'm going to show you a scenario today where the targets aren't quite so high right yet. Okay, different structure. So we were looking at this as a triangle right here. Okay, and that's an A, B, C, D, E. It measures and it looks good for a triangle, and it still might be. Okay, but the triangle means there's just one more move that comes after that triangle. Okay, that means it's a triangle comes in the fourth wave, a B wave, or an X wave. So if it's in the fourth wave, there's only a fifth wave to come. If it's an X wave, there's only the Y wave to come. If it's in the B wave, there's only the C wave to come. So we understand that. Now, what we're looking at here is, guys, yesterday, this thing, the triangles right here. We had the 1, 2, 3, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I thought that was a finished 5 waves. I thought we were going to come down deeper here and then head on up, but we didn't. We actually got to move up right after the video. Okay, and you know, Lord, I'd love to change that. You know, but you know, it is what it is, right? So what we actually got then was a finished 5-wave structure here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's the 5th wave, and we got a 3-wave pullback, and we're kind of looking at this saying, okay, is this a 1, 2, and we're ready to go on up to the moon? Hey, that's possibility, guys. So it's still possible. This is a 1, there's a 2, now we got a 1, 2, and we're gonna head up. So there's the bull scenario, and yesterday's targets are still in play. But let me show you another way I'm looking at it now that changes things just slightly. Go out to the 1-hour chart. If I negate the triangle, say, hey, that's not a triangle, it's just simply a WXY. Let me show you what I'm seeing here. We got a 3-wave move there, a 3-wave move there, and this is actually a 3-wave move, and every one of those moves measures to the 1-to-1 extension, and in fact the entire structure measures very well. Let me show you how they all measure. So if I measure the first wave right here, boom, well, I got to get the right tool. So let's try it. There we go. If I measure the first wave, boom, that's a 1-to-1, 127 extensions. Beautiful. Okay, let's measure the second wave. Okay, that's going to come there to there. 1, 2. Actually, I came to the 1618 there, but that's still beautiful. Let's see what else. Right here, this first wave to that wave right there, wicks to the 1618, but everything measures correctively. Okay, and we got the shape of a correction, and so what we might be seeing right here is a 3-wave move, broke the top here. Okay, and what this actually is a, well, come on, there we go. What this actually is a 3, and then we're going to get maybe a 5-wave to the downside. So we might get it kind of an impulse to the downside here, or some kind of move to the downside right here. This is Ethereum, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. Man, my dog and my cat are just bothering me this morning. They just want some attention, but I don't have time right now. We'll get you guys later. All right, so yeah, this might be something like this, where we got a 3-wave move looking for a target, then of potentially 431, guys, instead of the upward targets from here. So, guys, this is another way to interpret this wave. I'm watching for this. I'm not so confident with the upside. Now, if we start coming up here and we break this top, guys, those upside targets are probably still in play. So be mindful of that. But right now, this is a very potential way to look at this wave. So be careful for this scenario as well. I wanted to bring this to you as an alternate viewpoint here so that we stay balanced. Just want to keep it real. Let's say, okay, what are the waves telling me? And just show you another way to look at this market, okay? What this would be in the grand scheme of things is be a large kind of a fourth wave correction, maybe, and then we get another push up. What it also may be, guys, is the beginning of a reversal, and I just want to also be mindful because we have not invalidated this count on Ethereum yet. We have not invalidated it. I'm not a huge believer of it, but there's a three-wave right there. We could come on down here for a big, giant three-wave on the macro scale, or fourth wave, I should say. So a three-wave move, which would be a fourth wave. And then we would get some upper targets after that. So be careful, guys. Be careful. That's not invalidated yet. However, the structure is telling me it might be unlikely. I don't like the way this shape looks. It looks more bullish than it does bearish, I think. But I'm open-minded right now. I just try to keep these things in tension. Okay. All right. So that's what I'm looking at with Ethereum. Let's look at Bitcoin here and just let me show you the same thing kind of deal. All right, so in Bitcoin, we've got a three-wave move down, okay? And then what we got right here is another three-wave move, okay? Let me show you. Let me pull the fibs properly there. There we go. We came up and tagged the one-to-one extension, okay? And so, again, with Bitcoin, and it wasn't showing the triangle as beautifully, even though in the RSI it was kind of there. It wasn't showing it as nicely. So, anyway, could be getting another three-wave move down like that, and so that would be, or a five-wave even, an impulse to the downside to lower targets. So if we get that, and this isn't breaking out to the upside, but we actually get that move down, which is very common in Bitcoin. I could show you many places on the chart it does this, but I'm not going to at this time. Then let's see, we got targets of 14.5. Okay, so I would target the one-to-one extension first. 14.5 would be a nice little target. Shoot, even 14,000 might be a decent target before we go up again, maybe. So anyway, let's just play the waves as we see them. You can see here on the 30-minute we've got bearish divergence. So the bearish divergence is there on the chart, so be careful there. On Ethereum, I didn't check the divergence, but we got the same bearish divergence there on the 6 hour. Let's check the 2 hour. Yeah, we got the bearish divergence playing out. Forming here. So yeah, there's good reason, guys, why I'm thinking down, not up. Okay, down to again those targets that I was mentioning. So at least 431 for now for Ethereum, and for Bitcoin, at least 14.5 if it goes down in this scenario. Okay. If it goes up from here, I can wipe out the divergence, no problem, and we've got those upper targets that I gave yesterday. So there's an alternate opinion, alternate look at the wave count. Just wanted to kind of bring that to you and give that to you for your consideration. All right, you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks for joining me this morning. I hope that was a helpful quick coffee video for you. Jam and coffee in the morning. A guy used to say that here on the channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again. Don't forget to leave comments, like, subscribe, do all that jazz to help the channel. And we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.